Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and today I want to talk to you about forceps. This is very important. We have people talk to us all the time. They're struggling. They cannot get their sectional matrix rings in place, and this is the first thing we ask them. What forceps are you using? This is a regular ivory style rubber dam clamp forceps. It is great for rubber dam clamps. It is horrible for putting on rings. So if you have this in your drawer and you want to be more successful and less frustrated with your use of sectional matrix systems, get an appropriate forceps. This one is not it. There's nothing to help you secure that the ring and control the ring. Doesn't matter which name brand ring you're using. The rubber dam clamp forceps just are not the appropriate tool for the job. Most sectional matrix ring companies have a custom forceps. This is the forceps by Dentsply that is made to fit this specific ring. It gives you the control you need for the ring and allows you to open it far enough to place it over molars. This forceps kind of works with the Garrison rings. It's a little wiggly because, again, there's nothing on here that really secures it. And so it does kind of work, but not nearly as effectively as a Garrison forceps. The Garrison forceps is designed specifically to hold that Garrison ring, hold it securely, give you the leverage necessary to place that ring over even large molars. And that does make a difference. I know, talked to a lot of doctors who have arthritis or hand issues, strength issues, and these rings are very taut, very strong, and so having the right leverage can make placing them easier. The benefit of the Garrison forceps is they do work pretty much universally on all brands of sectional matrix rings. It holds that competitive ring very, very securely. So if you don't have a pair of these yet, I'd strongly recommend you get them. They make placement of sectional matrix rings so much easier.